Welcome to the product demonstration of mobile charge on coin insertion. In this product we are using LCD display, buzzer, PIC microcontroller, relay, step down transformer and rectifier, and also using coin sensor to detect the coin, and also using 230 volts of power socket, and also using this charger for the demonstration. So let me see. So we are providing the power supply through this power cable. It takes 230 volts of power supply that will be given to this step down transformer. So step down transformer will step down up to 12 volts. That 12 volts of AC will be given to this input of this bridge rectifier. So we know that bridge rectifier will convert AC to DC. That DC will be given to this. That DC will be given to this coin sensor and PIC microcontroller. So here we can see the two 705 voltage regulators. It takes 12 volts of DC power supply and it will give a 5 volts of DC power supply. That 5 volts of DC power supply will be given to this coin sensor and also PIC microcontroller. Through PIC microcontroller, divide the equal power to this all components like LCD display, buzzer and relay. Now we are giving the power supply. So here, and also here we can see the mobile based charging system. So here we can see the charge is in off position. If there is any no coin inserted, it will give a message like charge is off. Now I am putting my charger in this socket, given to this phone. Now I am inserting this 1 rupee coin, small coin. This one only the sensor will be detected. Now, so we can see the time duration. It is increased. Sometimes time should be more than 60 seconds. Even that time we need to reset this PIC microcontroller. After that again. So you can see time is 60 seconds for this 1 rupee coin. If I add more 1 rupee coin, 60 seconds will be added. So you can see here. And also if I give this 5 rupees of coin, so it will be not detected. So you can see it is come to back position. If we do multiple times, it will give a back to coin. After the time becomes 0, the charging system will be off, then relay will be get switched off. When relay is in on position, which means this socket containing a 230 volts of power supply. Through 230 volts of power supply, we are using this charger to charge this phone. So we can see here time duration. After the time duration, it will be give a signal to this microcontroller. Then microcontroller will give a signal to this relay to off the power supply. So relay is connected series to this phase of this AC power supply. Generally, this power cable takes 230 volts of power supply. We are giving the parallel to this socket also. So we can see here it is giving to the power to this step down transformer and parallelly connected to this one, and also we can see buzzer alert when time duration become less. Now charge is in off position. In this way, this coin based system will be works. Thanks for the watching.